Tired of being the go-to DocuSign admin? Let's unlock the secret to easily transferring ownership, freeing you up for more important tasks. First, log into your DocuSign account using your current administrator credentials, then navigate to the admin section. You can usually find this in the top navigation bar or within your profile settings. Click on it to access the administrative dashboard. Once you're in the admin section, locate the Users tab. This is where you'll manage all the users associated with your DocuSign account. Click on the Users tab to view a list of current users. Now, find the user you want to make the new account administrator. Click on their name to open their user profile. Make sure this user has the necessary permissions to take on the role. Within the user's profile, look for an Actions button or a similar option that allows you to edit their permissions. Click on this button. From the drop-down menu, select Change User Role. This will allow you to assign the new user the proper administrative right. In the Change User Role window, select Administrator from the available roles. This grants the user full administrative control over the DocuSign account. Finally, click the Save button to confirm the changes. The new user will now have full administrative control over the DocuSign account, and you're officially off the hook.